If you've only washed dishes in the sink before, now you can rinse your humidifier as well. With the Miro CleanPot, all parts are easily washable with just soap and water. The outer funnel, floating base, inner funnel, and waterproof ultrasonic module are all washable with water and soap, and they are very easy to assemble. Miro's humidifier creates a fresh environment by clean ultrasonic vaporization. With the unit's simple but powerful design, you can have a healthy way to humidify your home. Feel the comfort and enjoy the freshness of sanitary humidification with the CleanPot by Miro.